I've got so many pranks to play on those princesses. But I'm so comfortable. Pranksters for hire? Aha! Baddies ahoy! Meeting all your pranking needs with a yo-ho-ho and a bottle of squash. Interesting. Hello, Baddies ahoy! This is Malice. I've got a little job for you.
No, it needs more. Yar, ha ha ha. Yar,
Huh?
ha ha.
What is that?
Yar.
It just suits me at every angle. Incredible! I don't think there's anything that can make this hat not look utterly fabulous. Not even an evil pirate that does pirate-themed magic. Ah! Olivia! Are you ready for our... Olivia? Squawk! Olivia, what happened to you? Squawk! A pirate did what? Oh, hang on. Someone's ringing me. Isabella! What? An eye patch? Well, I think bandanas look cool. Hello? What on earth is going on?
Yar.
Hang on, I recognise those gruff piratey tones.
Yar, ha ha ha.
That sounds like... Baddies ahoy!
Prepare to be.
Baddie-o reverso!
What? Where am I? Who are you?
I'm Esme.
Oh, Kiddyzuzaa. Pleased to meet you.
It worked! My spell actually worked for once. Good to meet you, goodies.
What can I do for you, Esme? Goodies ahoy is at your command.
Huh? Who's there?
Yar, ha ha ha.
Oh, baddies, it's just you. Baddies? Baddies? Kiddyzuzaa! Hello, it's tea time and we're gonna decorate this cake. Yum yum, I can't wait to cover it in chocolate and yummy things. Wow, that looks delicious. Can I have some? Only if you behave yourself, Maleficent. None of your tricky business. Okay, I promise I'll behave. I'm gonna cover it with whatever is in the ready. Yummy chocolate icing! Maleficent, look what you've done! The icing is all over the table! No more of your funny business, Maleficent. Okay, Belle, I promise. Now let's see what's inside this blue egg. Jelly beans! Let's add these jelly beans to the cake. party. Peas. Now let's find out what's in this egg. Yay, sherbet! Let's put some sherbet on the cake. Let's spice things up a little bit. Maleficent! You turned it into chili flakes! Oh, that's so disgusting! We'll have to cover it with more chocolate icing. Gravy! Oh no, this cake is ruined! Mwahaha! If I can't have cake, nobody can. I think I have an idea. I've got one more surprise egg. Let's see what's inside this one. Mashed potato. This will teach Maleficent for ruining my cake. I'm going to put this chocolate icing on top of this potato to make Maleficent think it's a cake. Now for the final touch, jelly beans. Maleficent won't know the difference. Maleficent, I got a surprise for you. Wow, a cake. That looks delicious. Can I have some? You can have all of it. Wow, yummy. Thanks, Val. I can't wait to eat it. That's disgusting. Ew. Potato. That's the most disgusting thing I've ever had. That's what you get for being naughty. Thanks everybody for watching. Don't try this recipe at home. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Bye.
Computer, what is it?
The Christmas costume party starts in 5 minutes.
Better get ready. This should do the trick, right?
Affirmative. You look like a real Christmas present.
Ugh, Timothy. I ran out of ideas on how to prank the princesses this Christmas. What? The calendar? What's on? Oh, the Christmas costume party. That's perfect. I'm glad I thought of it. Oh, shush, Timothy. No one likes an idea thief. Mwahaha! Grapes? Esme would be jealous.
Where is Esme anyway?
Oh, I had the strangest dream. It was a costume party, and I overslept. Wait a minute. That was not a dream. Oh no, I have nothing to wear. Well, except...
10 words. know. Esme's here, but she forgot to wear a Christmas costume?
Correct.
Really?
How is that Christmassy?
Yeah. How did you forget the theme?
You want to dress like Christmas characters? I'll make Christmas characters. Costume become real.
Help! I've been turned into a real present.
Oh, Liliana, that's a very good costume.
No, seriously.
Costume become real. Ah! Help! I turned into an actual elf. Costume become real. Whoa! Mwahahaha! Wait, that's not a Christmas costume. Uh-oh.
Ha, nice try, Malice.
Yeah, but not nice enough.
Wow, I can't believe Liliana created a video game starring guys.
I know! I can't wait to collect all of the surprise eggs.
So, how does it work?
Meh, you just hit buttons and see what happens.
So, if I click like this... Wow, that's awesome.
Okay, hurry up already.
Okay, here we go. Hey, this is pretty easy.
Remember, you're not just running, you're looking for surprise eggs.
Ah, there's one. Jump. Wow, this game is great.
Wait, look out for that Malice!
Oh.
Okay, well, my turn.
So I'm the bad guy in their little game. Let's see how they like a real bad guy.
Huh? What's going on? Rotten Liliana.
I really am the bad guy.
Oh, hi Malice. Wait, what are you doing in the bushes?
Oh, new type of yoga.
You don't do yoga. You were messing with our game.
Oh, no. You must be confused.
Malice.
Olivia, I'm sorry, okay? Just make me stop dancing. Olivia! Kiddyzuzaa. Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to the zoo. Do you want to come with me? Yeah! Great! It's going to be so much fun. Think of all the amazing animals we'll see. Let's go! Wow, look at this big fellow. Do you know what it is? It's big and grey, it's got huge ears and a really long trunk. That's right, it's an elephant. Well done, everyone. Now, who wants to see some meerkats? Let's go! Wow! Look at these little guys! Aren't they so cute? I love meerkats! Maybe I should bring some home to the palace! Now, let's go see the penguins! Wow! Look at these penguins! Aren't they hilarious? Look at their silly walk. one's just had a bath. Ooh, look where you're shaking. Let's go somewhere a little more dry. Look everyone, flamingos! Flamingos stand on one leg like this. How silly is that? I'm having so much fun at the zoo, everyone. Is that a lion? Should we go and see it? Shh, everyone. We don't want to wake this lion up. Lions are quite scary, aren't they? Uh-oh, I think we should get out of here. Phew, I think we got out of there just in time. Whoa! I didn't see you there, Mr. Giraffe. Giraffes have such long necks. They must be able to see the whole zoo from up here. What else can I see from up here? Kangaroos! I love kangaroos. Look at this one jumping. What do you think of my kangaroo impression? Pretty good, right? Okay, everyone, only one more animal to see. Monkeys! Let's go! Haha, I love monkeys! Look at these monkeys being silly! Okay, everyone, I think it's time to go home. Wow, that was so much fun! Thanks for coming with me, everyone. Did you guys hear that? That sounded like a lion! Ah! One must have followed me home.
What class have you got next? Science, my favourite.
Well, anything is better than this.
Oh, I'll show those princesses a lesson that's fun. What's that? Oh, I was expecting a detention. What? No. Looks like you've got one too. You've got detention for not being evil enough, or even evil at all. Well, that's a lie. I can be evil. Look. Well, we better go. It's been about 5 minutes. Ah, princesses. Are you new? I haven't seen you here before. My name's Mr. Snuggles. Yes, that's right, Mr. Snuggleston. All right, I want these lines written out word for word 100 times. No more, no less. You may begin. A rumour has it that if you write the Malice song 100 times, you'll turn into Malice. And who wouldn't want that? More Malice for everyone. Oh, I hate detention. Why does it even have to exist? Fine, go! I never want detention again. Don't worry, Olivia. I've got a plan. Oh, that's strange. Why didn't they turn into me?
A nice glass of warm milk and a plate of cookies for Santa. It must be tiring delivering all those presents in one night. Aha! I know! Some extra Santa magic will help. That will keep Santa going for a while. Cookies. No, Esme. Those are special cookies for Santa. Cookies. Stop sleepwalking, Esme. Cookies. Cookies. Uh-oh! What? What's going on with my voice?
Stop laughing at me.
What are you gonna do? Put me on your naughty list?
My what? Ho, 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 I've turned into Santa. What am I going to do?
Shake your belly like a bowl full of jelly.
I can't enjoy Christmas if I have to work.
The magic was meant to give Santa an extra boost, so it will probably wear off eventually.
For you? Well, I might as well enjoy it while I can.
Roll up, roll up. Santa's now accepting gift orders.
Is Santa here?
Oh yes, go right on through.
Ho, 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 Liliana. Tell me what you would like for Christmas.
Hi Santa. For Christmas, I would love a new microscope, test tube cleaners, and apple flavoured toxic waste.
Ho, 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 let's see. Oh.
What is it?
I am afraid you're on my naughty list.
I am?
It says here that you didn't let your friend Esme use your food doubling machine on her grapes. That wasn't very nice.
But she took it and made a huge mess.
How many grapes did you make?
Would you believe me if I said I only wanted her 8?
You should have shared and let her have all your grapes.
Wait, what if I give her the food doubler for Christmas?
If you do that, you'll be on my nice list. Here.
Yes, thanks, Santa. Hey, Santa. So, I'd quite like a new camera so I can practice my photography more. Some fresh paintbrushes for my painting masterpieces, and maybe some new musical instruments to learn because I've learned all mine already. Please?
Let me just check. I'm afraid You are also on my naughty list.
What? But I'm so nice and good.
Do you remember that time you stole Esme's chocolate?
Esme, stop!
But the chocolates were evil.
But she loves chocolate.
What if I give Esme loads of chocolate for Christmas?
It would certainly help.
Great. Thanks. Bye, Santa. Olivia, grab Mr. Snuggles. I need to buy Esme some chocolate.